Good morning, friends. Today I am going to start a new topic, students. Topic name is Euler's modified method. Right on, students? Modified Euler's method. Modified Euler's method. This method also useful to find the solution of ordinary differential equation. Or students, ordinary differential equation. Right. What is differential equation form, students? Here, differential equation form. Differential equation is of the form. What is the form, students? Come on, tell me. What is general form? Very good. It is dy by dx, that is equal to f of x comma y, and the given condition y at x naught is equal to y naught, and we are finding here, students, y at x. We are finding y at x, students. This is the form of differential equation. Now we are finding solution of this differential equation, students. This differential equation. Once again, what is the differential equation form, students? dy by dx, that is equal to f of x comma y. Given condition, students, y at x naught is equal to y naught. Now we are finding y at x value. X means it is specific value, students. It may be 1, 1.5, 0.2, etc. Okay, students. Now, to find solution of this differential equation, I am using here modified Euler's method. Or students, modified Euler's method. Modified Euler's method. I want to write direct formula, students, here. Direct formula. So y1 power n plus 1, that is equal to y naught plus h by 2 into f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 power n, bracket close. Here n value, students, n values starts from 0, 1, 2 and so on. N value starts from 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now I want to take n is equal to 0, students. I want to take n is equal to 0. So put n is equal to 0, students. y1 power 0 plus 1, we get 1. That is equal to y naught plus h by 2 into f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 power. Here we have n, students. What is n value? 0. Okay, students. This is the first approximation, students. See here, y1 dash. That means you are finding the value, students. Come on, tell me. We are finding the value y at x1, students. y1 means y at x1. That means you get here y1 value, students. You get y1 value. Okay, students, you get y1 value. Okay. Now y naught, students. We know y naught here. H value, students. What is h value here? H is equal to x minus x naught. What is h value, students? X minus x naught. By using that formula, we get h value. F of x naught y naught, students. You simply, here we know f of x y. You simply substitute x naught y naught values. Then you get f of x naught y naught value. Now here, students, what is x1? What is x1, students? x1 means here, what is formula? X naught plus h. Now we need to find y1 power 0. Or students, y1 power 0. So first we have to find in the problem y1 power 0, students. y1 power 0. Okay, right. y1 power 0, that is equal to, already you know Euler's method, students. Euler's method. What is formula for yn, students? y1. What is formula for y1? Come on. Very good. What is formula? Y naught plus h into f of x naught y naught. Okay, students, write down y naught plus h into f of x naught y naught. This is Euler's formula, students. Euler's formula. Okay, students, this is very important, students. You first find y1 power 0 value. Okay, students, what is y1 power 0? y0 plus h into f of x0 y0. You find the value and substitute here. Now f of x1 y1 power 0, that means we know f of x comma y. You substitute there. Okay, students, then you got y1 power 1, students, y1 power 1. Now you take n is equal to 1, students, n is equal to 1. Now we get here, students, y1 power 2, that is equal to, same here, students, y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 power, students, this time we get 1, y1 power 1, because we have n is equal to n, students. Now see, students, y1 dash, you observe, students, here y1 dash, where we have y1 dash? Yes, exactly, we are finding here y1 dash. Okay, whatsoever the value you get here, you substitute here. Again you find f of x1 y1 dash, that means again you substitute here, and you simplify, you get y1 power 2. And similarly you take here, students, n is equal to 2, that means we get y1 power 3, that is equal to y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 power, this time, students, square. Now see, students, y1 square, y1 power 2, where is y1 power 2 here, students? Here we have y1 power 2. Again you write this value here. Okay, and again you simplify it, then you get y1 power 3, students. You continue this process, students, continue this process until two values are same. Then we get common value as y1, students. Okay, now see, students, dy by dx, that is equal to f of x comma y. We know x is equal to x1 comma y is equal to y1. Suppose he given another value, students. For example, initially he given y at 1 and then y at 2, students. Y at 1 means we get here y at 1 value, students. Now later y at 2, I want to find y at 2 value, students. For that finding value, this time I am taking here, students, y2 power n plus 1, students, y2 power n plus 1, that is equal to, come on, tell me, students, previously 1 means we get 0, students, 2 means, very good, y1 plus h by 2 into f of, previously we have x0 y0, students, now x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 dash, y2 power dash, no, power n, bracket close. Here also n is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Here also again same procedure, students, same procedure. Take n is equal to 0, y2 power 1, that is equal to y1 plus h by 2 f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 power 0, y2 power 0. Okay, students, x2 means here, students, we know x2 here. What is x2? x2 value 2. y2 power 0. Same, students, y2 power 0. y2, what is y2 power 0 here? y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1. Again it is Euler's formula, students. You find that value again initially and you substitute here. Again you simplify it, then you get y2 power dash, students. Now n is equal to 1, students. We get here y2 power 2, that is equal to y1 plus h by 2 f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 power 1, students, bracket close. Here we know y2 power dash value, students, y2 power 1 value here we have y2 power 1 value, students. You substitute here, again you simplify it, then you got y2 power 2. Again continue this process, two values are same, then very common value as this time students y2. This time students y2. This is about modified Euler's method students, modified Euler's method. Once again students, he given a differential equation form like this students, dy by dx that is equal to f of xy. He given condition f of y at x naught is equal to y naught. We are finding y at x students, y at x. What is modified Euler's formula students? y1 power n plus 1 that is equal to y naught plus h by 2 f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 power n. Here n is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Initially you find here students y1 power 0. What is formula students? Y naught plus h into f of x naught y naught. You substitute here and simplify it, then you get y1 power 1. Then you substitute y1 power 1 here students. Again you simplify it, you get y1 power 2 value, and similarly y1 power 3. Okay students, continue this process until two approximations are same. Then the value is considered as a y1. Suppose he given another value like this, y to 2, then same. Previously we have 1, this time we take y2 students. Again same procedure. Now if you observe the concept students, there is a small logic students, small logic. See, y naught is common here, f of x naught y naught is common. Where is the change students? Here. Have you got my point students? In the calci, whenever you operate, just it is enough to change this value students, this value. Okay, then we can easily find y1 power 1, y1 power 2, y1 cube, etc. students. Okay, if you have any doubt, any query, please comment in the comment box students. I need your support. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.